this is Mike. Today we're going to talk to you about the Toro Dingo 22473 trencher attachment to fit the Toro Dingo compact utility loaders. This will fit all of the Toro Dingo units up to the TXL 2000. This trencher is currently equipped with a 3-foot boom and a rock chain. That's the most common configuration in this area. It can be equipped with a 2-foot, 3-foot, or 4-foot boom, and the chains can be 4, 6, or 8 inches wide. We're going to hook it up and show you how it works. Here we go. Whenever you hook up a hydraulic attachment to a Dingo, you want to make sure that your hydraulic fittings are nice and clean. This is going to prevent dirt in your hydraulic system. It's going to lengthen the life of the machine. First thing we're going to do, we want to close our quick attach points. Make sure it's locked on. We're going to get our hydraulic fittings and lines, make sure they're routed correctly, clean them off, both sides, plus on the tractor. Once that's done, we're going to hook up the lines. It's a good idea to grab the auxiliary hydraulic lever here and work it through its range of motion with the machine off. That'll relieve any built-up pressure in the lines, make it easier to connect. That's all there is to it. With this trencher attachment equipped with a 3-foot boom, you can trench down up to 42 inches below grade, which is plenty for most jobs. This is a great attachment if you're installing sprinkler, cables and lines, if you're doing underground utilities, if you're doing drainage. You can also use it like a land saw for digging in really tough conditions with roots and rocks. Thanks for watching.